Hi you guys, welcome to the Parrot Life. This is Kona, my red-fronted macaw. He wanted to join the intro. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. This video is going to be about the daily vlog of my birds. This is Kona playing with his toys. Those are Planet Pleasure toys if you guys want really good toys. And this big perch, it's like a toy perch my friend Olga gave me. And I'm so glad that that he likes it. So it's like a really huge perch that you can purchase from Amazon, and my macaws love it. They always have each other. So this weekend, I brought the birds to the office, like a free flight indoor training so they can burn their energy. It was really, really hot this weekend. So I wanted to take my birds a little bit indoor free flight training. And obviously he's not really training. He's playing around. He's a baby, you guys. So this is like a daily, weekly video. I always fly the birds in this indoor free flight space. It's an office. And this is Noah, my Cape Parrot. He's flying laps around. And they sleep so good after this. I've been so busy and I couldn't fly my birds. But this is a good exercise for them. And they're all free flyers, but they can fly indoors too. So if you can find a good indoor space for your birds to fly and recall, this is an amazing space. And I highly recommend finding a space for your birds to recall and train indoors. This is my Cape Parrot Noah, who you've seen flying laps. He's an amazing flyer. Good bird. Good bird. Now jumping ahead to evening time, I'm making everybody's dinner. So usually birds, they eat a natural feeding system. They are veggie based, and you can check out Bird Tricks' YouTube video on how to make your natural feeding system. And birds need to be eating healthy food. And this is a veggie chopper. I chopped the veggies in here, and now I am going to give it all my parrots, and it's going to be dinner. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you guys haven't. And Keanu is about to say good night. Good night, you guys, and hope to see you in the next video.